Hello everyone, this is Midwest Washing Equipment with a quick overview of a 8-foot truck skid we just finished up. This skid has the new iGX800 fuel injected, about 10 gallon a minute pump sitting up top there, AR45 soft wash pump in the rear. There's a built-in ladder rack, dual shelves, so driver's side and passenger side shelves. A 12-gallon fuel tank sitting in the back there. Nice big 6-foot long toolbox on the driver's side. This unit has 150-gallon water tank, 55-gallon bleach tank, and 2 surfactant tanks. A surface cleaner tray for a 24-inch surface cleaner. On the passenger side here we have 3 electric Titan hose reels, our water fill hose, our soft wash hose, and our high pressure hose. This unit's set up with our Hydro Mixer XL with our new cover, our 4-valve system, water, soap 1, bleach, and soap 2. It is also set up with our remote rinse module. So we're applying soap and bleach, and then cuts it off for rinse mode. Give us a call at 317-390-4103 or check us out at www.washingequip.com. Thanks for watching.